Meet Casey Green,
Love's for suckers, man.
an ordinary kid about to have an extraordinary Valentine's Day.
No!
He'll be hollered at by an irate antiques dealer with the girl of his dreams by his side. A bully will give him the cold shoulder, but he'll get what he deserves. Casey will face danger again and again while trying to outsmart a master criminal
Casey, hurry!
Come on, Casey!
Come on, Casey.
who'll do anything to stop Casey and his friends. Anything.
Help us!
Help us!
Save your breath. We're gonna need it.
No one ever said being a detective was easy.
Get off the road! Jump!
Take it from me.
Cat, will you be my Valentine?
And who am I? Knox Chase on the case. Knox Chase on the case of the Valentine's Day mystery.